start off with water that's already existing, that is warm and has suds in it. Boopie knows the drill. He's not going to give me a whole lot of flack unless something really wrong is going on with him physically. He's not going to like it, but he's not going to. We've done this many times. I like to use baby wash because when you're seeing animals that have issues, especially around their eyes, you need to clean it. Can be difficult to do that, of course, if you are not using something that is sensitive on their eyes. And my mistake that I made last time with Skittles is that I did not have a cup or something readily available to rinse him off. So when I was doing the backup looking for the escape situation. Start from the neck, back forward. When he's looking for like a way to get cleaned off, I didn't have a way to clean him off. That was my mistake, lack of preparation. And I had to use a shower, and of course they're gonna hate that. But I'm gonna get going.